Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. I, Tannu Srivastava, presenting the topic Microsoft Word. It is a word processing software. It is a package of MS Office suite. It is developed by the company Microsoft. It helps us to create a document quickly and efficiently with a professional look. There are many features using that we can decorate the Word with different designs and colors. It offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. There are many features like the font size, color style, alignment. Using that we can decorate the word or the text or the sentence in the design manner, in the decorative manner. It helps us to do the creative work. This is the working window of MS Word. When you start MS Word, you will get this window. This white page, this white area is called the document. This white area is called the document. Now we will see the components of the MS Word window. Topmost bar of any window is called the title bar. It shows the name of the document, name of the application. In the right side, you can see maximize, minimize and control button that helps to control the window. In the right side, you will see the quick access toolbar. It contains different commands that are used frequently. And in the leftmost side, you will see the office button that have different commands to work with the Word. Tab selector. Tab selector is used to set the tab space between the words. Below the title bar, you will see the ribbon tab. Ribbon tab is also called the menu bar. Home, insert, page layout, reference. There are different tabs using that we can work in MS Word. Now, cursor. Cursor indicates the starting point of the text. Vertical ruler and the horizontal ruler that set space horizontally and vertically between the lines. Next, at the bottom you can see view button. There are 5 view buttons: normal view, normal view, web layout, draft, and different options. Using that, it displays the page in the design manner. When you select the web layout, it displays just like the web page. With the draft view button, it shows only the text that helps us to edit the work. This is the normal view where we can do the work. In the right side, you can see the zoom tools. Using that, we can change the size, we can change the percentage of the document. If you want to adjust the text, if you want to adjust 2 pages at a time, then we change the zoom size and 2 pages will display at a time. And in the left side, document information, that is called the status bar. That show now how many pages in a document, how many rows are used, how many words you have typed. Everything is displayed in the left side. This is called the status bar. Now the features of MS Word: creating, editing, saving and printing the document. We can create any kind of document and save it for the further work for the longer period of time. If you want to do the changes, that is called the editing. Editing contains cut, copy, paste, clipboard option like that. Copying, pasting, moving and deleting within the document, as well as we can do also in the different document. Copying, that means we can create duplicate of the text. Moving, that means it leaves one place and moves to the another place. Formatting text such as font style, font type, font color. Using that we can decorate the text. Using the font size option, we can change its size. Using the font color, we can decorate the text with different color. Bold, underline and italic. It helps to change the appearance of the text. Creating and editing table. We also can create table with the MS Word. And if we need modification, suppose you want to add more rows or column, delete more rows or column, so this facility is also available with the MS Word. Autocorrect is the feature with the MS Word, using that when you write the wrong spelling, it indicates that is the incorrect and give you option to correct it, and sometimes that takes autocorrect. These are the features of MS Word. Thank you.